start.
Okay. And ready? Yes. Okay, let's start. What's your name?
My name is Xian.
Zip, and you, what's your name?
My name is Lin.
Lynn, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Zip, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, Zip, what is your favorite toys?
My favorite toy is car.
It's cart. Wow, and you? Wait, what is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is doll.
It's doll. Okay. Good. Okay, the first we will talk about hobbies. What is your hobby?
My hobby is skiing.
Skiing. Okay. Where do you like skiing? Where? You play at school or at home or at the schoolyard or playground?
School.
Ah, you play in school. Okay. So who do you play ski with?
Is my friend.
It's your friend. Okay. And Lynn, what is your favorite? Sorry, what is your hobby?
My hobby is play badminton.
Play badminton. Who do you play badminton with?
My father, my grandfather.
Ah, okay. So is this fun?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know taking photograph? Taking photograph. You use the camera and taking photograph. Do you know this? No. Okay. So, Hải Linh, do you think playing video game is interesting? Do you think playing video game is interesting? Yes or no? No. Okay. So, Zim, do you think learning to play the guitar is hard? Okay, now we move. So the next we will talk about shopping. Okay. Zim, do you like shopping?
Yes.
Yes. What do you like buying?
I buy clothes.
Clothes. Who do you go shopping with?
I should go shopping with my aunt.
Your aunt. Okay. So do you like buying toys when you go shopping? Yes. Okay. And Lynn, do you like shopping?
Yes.
Yes. So what do you like buying?
I buy fruit.
Fruit. And do you like to buy clothes like Zim? No. Okay. So who do you go shopping with?
My father and my mother.
Ah, okay. Where do you usually go shopping? Where? You go shopping at the supermarket or the market?
The supermarket.
Ah, supermarket. Okay. The next we will talk about the film. Okay. Hải Linh, what is your favorite film?
My favorite film is Doraemon.
Doraemon. Okay. So where do you like watching Doraemon? You watch in the living room or in the bedroom or lying in the bed?
I'm watching it in the living room.
In the living room. Okay. So the next film. What is your favorite film?
My favorite film is Jadu.
Is Jadu. Okay. So who do you watching film with?
I'm watching film with younger sister.
Oh, your younger sister. Okay. Do you usually watching film with your friends? Yes, sometimes. Okay. So, Hải Linh, do you enjoy watching comedies? Comedies is the funny film. Do you like comedy? No? Okay. The next. The last question. What is your favorite character? Zip. Character like Tom and Jerry, Spider-Man, Do you like sugar?
I like sugar and Nutella.
Ah, okay. Good. The next, we will talk about the transport. Okay. I have some picture about transport. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, do you use this different type transport? What transport do you like?
I like bike
You like bike. Why? Why do you like bike? Because
because
why do you like bike? This is good for your health. Right, okay. Thành Linh. What transport do you like?
I like car
You like car. Why? Why do you like car?
because it's so fast.
It's fast, right? Is it big or small?
It's big.
It's big. Okay. Do you think it's expensive? Expensive. You go to school by car, it's expensive more than go to school by bike, right? Yes. Okay. Thank you, Zip and Lynn, for speaking test. Okay. Thank you.